Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use your eye to navigate and control items on the screen on the iPhone 16 series running iOS 18. So here I can use my phone, my eye with the iPhone to control items on my screen. I can choose it to open up certain notes. Now I need to have my phone facing directly me for it to work correctly. To do that, first you need to pull down the control center and we need to add in the eye tracking widget in the control center. So tap on the add button in the control center. Now first I'm going to remove this control. Then we go down and tap on add a control. Next in the control list we scroll down. Then in the motor accessibility section, tap on eye tracking. Now you can drag on the handle to enlarge the widget. After we swipe up, and to use it, tap on eye tracking. Now before you can use eye tracking, you need to set it up. So we need to look at the circle. So here say follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. This is to help the phone to configure your eye movement. So here we follow the dot on the screen. It is important that you keep your head still and use your eye movement to follow the dot. Now you wait for the circle to go smaller. And here I can go down to the bottom and just wait there. Just keep looking at it. And here I can look around my screen, and the focus item will move around as I move my eye to the left. So I can go down now to close it. It's quite hard when you're not pointing the camera right in front of the face, but that is how you can turn on or turn off eye tracking to use your eye movement to navigate items on the screen or to open it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.